Sure, here's a 600-word YouTube video script for the 2026 Hyundai i10, including a natural channel intro for Car Universe Cars, and formatted as a spoken script without headings. Welcome back to Car Universe Cars, where we bring you the latest reviews, insights, and updates from the ever-evolving automotive world. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about small cars of the year, the 2026 Hyundai i10. Now, when we talk about compact cars, the Hyundai i10 has always held a solid reputation. It's been praised for its efficiency, city-friendly dimensions, and surprisingly refined feel for the price. But in 2026, Hyundai decided to raise the bar even further. Let's start with the design. The new Hyundai i10 gets a bolder and more aggressive stance, giving it a more mature and dynamic look than ever before. The front fascia has been reworked with a sharper grille and sleek LED headlights that give it a more premium vibe. Subtle creases along the sides, new alloy wheel designs, and a reworked rear bumper with integrated reflectors all add to its sporty character. It's still unmistakably compact, but it looks more upscale, and frankly, more expensive than its price tag suggests. Step inside, and the cabin continues to surprise. Hyundai has gone for a minimalist but tech-friendly interior. You now get a larger floating touchscreen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital driver's display, and improved materials throughout. Soft touch surfaces in key areas, new ambient lighting options, and better seat fabrics elevate the i10's interior to something you'd expect from a class above. But it's not just about looks and screens. The 2026 i10 offers more in terms of practicality too. Rear legroom has been slightly improved, and the boot space remains one of the best in its class, making it a great option for small families or those who just need a smart city car with decent luggage capacity. Now let's talk performance. The new i10 comes with a choice of two updated petrol engines, a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder and a more punchy 1.2-liter 4-cylinder. Both engines have been tuned for better fuel efficiency and lower emissions, in line with Euro 7 standards. They're not built for speed, but they are smooth, responsive, and perfect for everyday driving. Hyundai also continues to offer both manual and automatic transmission options, with the latter now refined for quicker shifts and improved economy. And here's something that really sets the 2026 model apart: enhanced safety. Hyundai has loaded the new i10 with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, driver attention warning, and even adaptive cruise control are now available, making it one of the safest cars in its segment. These features used to be reserved for larger vehicles, but Hyundai is making them standard or optional even in its smallest model. There's also talk of a mild hybrid version coming soon, which could make the i10 even more appealing to eco-conscious buyers. While it's not fully electric, this mild hybrid tech would offer better stop-start functionality, improved efficiency, and lower running costs without needing to plug in. So who is the 2026 Hyundai i10 really for? It's perfect for city dwellers, first-time car buyers, or anyone who values efficiency, easy maneuverability, and modern features in a small package. With its fresh design, upgraded tech, improved safety, and Hyundai's solid warranty, the i10 proves that small doesn't mean basic. That wraps up our look at the 2026 Hyundai i10. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new design and whether you'd consider one over its rivals like the VW Up or Kia Picanto. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Car Universe Cars, and hit that bell so you're always updated on the latest car news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.